Tonight, I point at a thing. Richard walks through a shop. And James has some bananas.
Now, news from Citroën. They've developed a car that runs on compressed air.
No, I've been reading about this and I have literally no idea how it works.
Yeah, I saw you reading about this earlier on today. And you know when somebody's eyes glaze? His looked like they'd been painted on. It was just... And you could see the words ricocheting off.
They wouldn't go in. I can't work it out.
Actually, it's quite simple. It's a bit like a...
Explain it to me then, James.
Good call.
It's like a hybrid, like a Toyota, but instead of generating electricity under braking and going downhill, it compresses air, which then drives the car.
How does... No, this is what I don't understand. Why don't they just put, you know those scuba divers tanks on the back and then they shoot air out and it'll make it go along?
Because that wouldn't work.
It would work. What about fire extinguishers? You put 2 fire extinguishers on the boot lid. When you set them off, it would make the car move forwards.
Well, yeah, technically it would, but it's extremely wasteful. I mean, to go around our track, you'd need a fire extinguisher about the size of Hazelmere.
No, because fire extinguishers are full of carbon dioxide.
Yes.
Yes, well, engines produce carbon dioxide, so you'd endlessly refill the fire extinguisher.
You can't use carbon dioxide from cars to power cars. It's just...
Isaac Newton said it would work. I'm going to prove it.
What?
I'm going to prove it.
What goes
Please,
on?
give me this. Right, there's...
What goes on in his head?
Will he move back? Move back. Move back. Back. No, because seriously, I'm going to rocket across the studio floor. Are we ready, everybody? Here we go. Why is it doing this? Why is it doing that? Newton said the opposite of any action, no.
Every action has an equal and opposite reaction, yes.
It's rubbish. Every action makes you spin round in a lazy circle.
Well, clever or not, you can't expect him to have foreseen a gigantic, idiotic ape in an office chair with a fire extinguisher, can you? Shall we move on?
Yes!